So when you're thinking about this list, right, that you make, your experiences, how you want to grow as a person, and what contribution, now you need to ask yourself, taking it off the list, how are you going to do those, right? This is where we get into bringing some of the tradition back, because we do have to go back to what Harvard said, right? About writing it down. We saw the percentage of people that didn't write it down. We saw people who had goals in mind that didn't have, at all write it, but then we saw those who did, and what happened. So I encourage you to think about your goal setting this way. Once you've bucketed them, right? They now have to be put into this format. Being very specific with yourself. What exactly do you want to accomplish in that? When you talk about your experience, write it very specifically. How you want to grow very specifically. What measures can you put in place to quantify your progress? So how will you know that you're successful, right? But don't let yourself off the hook with putting a date in there. That's what happens. We'll put something down, and I call those fluffy goals. And so what I mean by fluffy goals, I just want you to think about a cloud and you just touch it and it just goes poof, and it's just, oh yeah, that was nice. That's just fluffy. It has to really have some weight, right? So it has to be something that's attainable to you and realistic, right? Is your goal realistic and within your reach? Can you do that? And are you willing to commit to your goal? Someone asked me, well, not someone, my personal trainer, because I have a personal trainer to help get all this in order, in order. And she asked me on a scale from 1 to 10, how committed was I? And I was like, wait a minute, I ask people that when I coach, but she asked me that. And so I had to say, she went down a list of things. How committed was I? And I know why she was asking me that. So you have to do that with yourself. Is it relevant? And then time bound it, right? Make sure that it has that deadline.